Welcome to another video on this channel. So currently you are looking at another multi-bagger stock. The name is 5PAISA Capital. Alright. So why I have chosen this stock out of all the other stocks? I've suggested some other multi-baggers also, but this is one with something very strong conviction. So I'll share with you people the factors which I consider, that why this could be a potential multi-bagger. And by multi-bagger, I mean you can have returns of 2x, 3x, 4x, but only if you hold for, more than a year. Okay, it's not like in a year your money will grow about 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. It can, but that's something, very exceptional that could happen, alright? But over 5 years of time span, yeah, this is very likely to occur. And people claim it is very easy to spot the multi-baggers and it is very easy to generate 3x, 5x returns in a short span. But that is possible only if you, by luck have some precise entries, alright? So in crypto it is possible. Yeah, I do trade in crypto as well. But still I would say for beginners, they should start from stock market and sharpen their skills and should gain enough information and knowledge about how markets work, and then only enter the crypto world. Alright. Okay, so let's begin with 5PAISA Capital. So you can see I have marked some lines. There is a support which was earlier a resistance, and then it has been acting as a support from around 2021. Alright. So it has been tested multiple times, and you can see there is a pattern formation which is a broad wedge. Alright, so 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 touches are on the resistance line. Above there is a resistance line. I have marked it black color, right? So below there is a support, and you can see this high and this high is higher, and this recent high that was made in around 2024, this is higher than these 2 highs. Okay, so the pattern has been broadening. So this is called a broadening wedge pattern, and this was after listing the price went into small consolidation. So as I mentioned in earlier videos, sometimes the price stays in first range, okay, and then it expands to the second range. Alright, so once these 2 ranges are taken out, so that's when the exact and expansion of stock takes place. So if you could see at the volumes have been considerably increasing during this consolidation period. Okay, so some people might wonder, what is consolidation? Consolidation is when the price is not moving much, not making extreme highs and not making extreme lows, when there is a small range of price where the price have been moving in for years and years. So it has been listed in around 2018. I have shared some stocks earlier that were also listed in 2018. So you can say approximately all those stocks that has been listed in 2018, some of them participated in the post-COVID rally, but some of them didn't. Alright, so this is one such stock that restrained itself from going into the post-COVID rally. So this has been in consolidation for over almost 5 years, 5, 6, 7 years. Okay, alright. So I'll show you an example how this pattern unfolds. Okay, but I'm not giving you any targets for this stock, because if one can hold, they should hold it for anywhere between 1 year to 5 years for having maximum returns from this stock. Alright, so I'll show you the example how this broadening wedge unfolds. Okay, so let's go to Mesgan doc. bad stock. Okay, so this was a defense stock which went from very low prices to high prices. You can see, yeah. So this was the broadening wedge that was formed in Nasdaq. Okay, after listing there was a small range consolidation and then there was a broadening wedge consolidation. So it retested the support that was earlier a resistance, was first touch, second touch, and then this was the third touch. All right, and this was the pattern, how the pattern unfolded later on. Okay, so the stock never went back to those levels. So let's go back to 5paisa. So this is a range of 600 rupees from this bottom up till this top. Okay, so the price has been in 600 range for over 6 years. Okay, so you can see that if this pattern unfolds from here, we can have significant gains in the stock. Even if we touch the resistance back up here, if we measure from the current prices where it is trading right now, up till here the gains come around to be 92%, which is decent enough for a 1 year time span. Okay, so if one can, they should hold the multibaggers for quite couple of years. Only then you can have the right amount of gains from a multibagger stock. Okay, so that's it for 5paisa. Thank you. Do like and subscribe.